Dep. Okay. So now I'm going here, DepEd Schools Division of Legazpi City. Good morning everyone, ladies and gentlemen, my YouTube channel was Nancy Showstar. So here I am at DepEd Schools Division Office of Legazpi City. So I'm now starting to prepare for my OJT time. So it's been a while since my third time of OJT, so I'm starting to walk to the library. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, MC Showstar. So I am now Michelangelo M. Vasquez, and currently 4th year student, this second sem, the only engineer, because the rest of my group that deployed to this DepEd SDO Legazpi is mostly IT, while I am the only engineer. OJT means on the job training. Some of these facilities are under construction. Other utility staffs are doing their best to clean the weeds. And also the workers diligently build some of the facilities. So I am going here to SDO City Library building to accomplish my inventory report. I've started to go there, Division of Legazpi City, to conduct an attendance on logbook. Now I'm done with the logbook, so I'll continue to do my best as a student. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, MC Showstar. Have a nice day. With my IT students, and they are going to the library, and I will help them to deal with the task. For now, here we are at the main conference area here, the School Division.
A few moments later.
Start the documentary. So after work, and I'll save this disclaimer that I do things in my record folder. So my task for today is done. So that's how I have a work OJT student this 4th year So I'm going, so please subscribe to MC Showstar. Madami. Then it's part. Whoa! Nice, William. Logging out on the record book. Now we finish some of the greatest accounting, something like that stuff, especially on the inventory matters about the school properties and their expenses. And it's so confidential that I don't want to share the details, but only what we are only doing. So thank you everyone for watching. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to the YouTube channel, MC Vasquez or MC Showstar title. And my name is Michelangelo M. Vasquez. Okay, subscribe.